Good morning, students. Now, it's the same chapter, application of integral. Now, it's the last class. Now, I have discussed 1 to 5 question. Now, find the area bounded by a single curve. But today, now it's given two curve. Question number 6 to 11, all are same. Now look here. Question number 10. Find the area bounded by the two curve. One is the x square equals to 4y. This is first curve, x square. Question number 10, exercise 8.1. And now given two curve, write equation of the given curve. Equation of the given curve. Now the first curve is x square equals to 4y. X square equals to 4y. This is parabola. And now is a given of second curve. Now given a line, and line is the x equals to 4y minus 2. X equals to 4y minus 2. This is line. Student, जब भी क्वेश्चन में टू कर्व इज गिवन, फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ टू कर्व. यानी ये दोनों कर्व एक दूसरे को जहां भी डायग्राम में मीट कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट, इज द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. एंड फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. नाउ सॉल्विंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. Right now, substitute the value of x equals to 4y minus 2. Now, 4y is the x square. Now, in substitute in second, then x equals to x square minus 2. And now, just simplify, then x square minus x minus 2. This is quadratic equation. So, now what are the factor of given this quadratic equation? Then x square minus 2x, 2 and 1 plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Right? Then minus 2 plus 1, that is x, and 2 ones are 2. Then first 2 is common, x, last 2 is common, 1. Then x is common, x minus 2. 1 is common, then x minus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 2 is the first factor and x plus 1 is another factor. So either x minus 2 equals to 0, what is the value of x is 2. But is another factor. X plus 1 is 0, then x equals to minus 1. X की two values, now substitute in first, yeah, otherwise second, then substitute x equals to 2. Right? Substitute x equals to 2 in equation second. X is 2, then minus 2 transfer, 4y equals to 4, then y equals to 1. And then substitute x equals to minus 1. Then y equals to, again same second equation, x equals to minus 1, then y equals to 1 by 4. So first thing is the intersection point first 2 comma 1, and is the another intersection point minus 1 comma 1 by 4. So first thing, now find intersection point. जब भी दो कर्व, टू कर्व given है, then first thing now find intersection point. And second thing, diagram. This is y axis, this is x axis. Now look, question is the O point is the intersection of axis 0 comma 0. This is first curve is a parabola. And which parabola? X square equals to 4y, that is the upward parabola. एक parabola को draw करने के लिए only one thing is vertex, and now this is a standard form, then vertex is 0 comma 0. Now first thing is draw the parabola, then this is x square equals to 4y parabola. Right? Vertex is 0 comma 0. Then second thing, draw the line. अब line को draw करने के लिए, now given two intersection point. One is the x equals to 2, y equals to 1. X equals to 1 and 2, and y equals to 1. That is on the curve. This is the intersection point. X equals to 2, y equals to 1. But this is another point, x equals to minus 1. This is x equals to minus 1, and y equals to 1 by 4. This is another intersection point B. X equals to minus 1 and y equals to 1 by 4. And now joining A to B, make a line, right? Extend this side and that side. And now find the area bounded by parabola and line. That means this shaded region. Find the area bounded by line and parabola. Suppose अगर वहाँ एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया था, find the area bounded by line, parabola and x axis, तो this portion. But this question, find the area between line and parabola. Right? Now draw the strip. अब जब भी दो कर्व है, ड्रॉ द स्ट्रिप इज नाउ स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ बिटवीन टू कर्व. दिस इज स्ट्रिप एंड नाउ एक्सचेंज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, क्योंकि स्ट्रिप या तो ऑन एक्सिस ड्रॉ होती है या अदरवाइज वाई एक्सिस. Then this length is parallel to y axis, so length is y. But now is the given two curve. Then from the line to x axis, this is y1, and from the parabola to x axis, this is y2. Breadth is dx. So what is the formula of bounded region? Then required area, yeah, otherwise area bounded the region, right? Then area of shaded region, that is integration. Length is y1 minus y2. Length of strip, this is y1 completely, or y1 minus y2 class करोगे, that is the length of strip is the y1 minus y2, and breadth is dx. But strip move in shaded region, right? So what is the dx, that is the x coordinate is a minus 1 and x coordinate this is 2. Then limit minus 1 to 2, lower to upper, and then minus 1 to minus 2 as minus 1 to 2 as it is. What is y1? Y1, that is a y. But from first, yeah, from second, from parabola, yeah, from line. Then y1 is a from length is a y1, that is the length from line to x axis. So that is the y key value from line. First y is the from line and is another y from parabola, right? Dx as it is. Now what is the value of y from line? Now from second, then x plus 2 upon 4. What is the value of y from parabola? X square upon 4. And now is a separate integration. 1 by 4 is a constant out of integration. What is the integration of x? X square upon 2. What is the integration of 2? 2x. What is the integration of x square? That is x raised to power 3 upon 3. And after integration, substitute the limit. So limit, first thing is upper limit, then upper limit 2 ka square 4, 4 upon 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 ka cube 8, that is 8 by 3, minus minus 1 ka square plus 1, that is 1 by 2, minus 2 and minus 1 cube, that is a minus minus plus 1 by 3. So then 1 by 4 as it is, 2 plus 4, 8 minus 8 by 3, and then minus half minus 2, that is a minus 3 by 2. Then now 1 by 4 as it is, 3 is LCM, 8 3s are 24, 24 minus 8, 16 by 3, then 3 and 2, 6, LCM is a 6, then 6 is LCM, then 3 2s are, and 2 3s are 3 3s are 9, 2 minus 9 gaya minus 7, minus 7 minus minus plus 7 by 6. Then is again LCM, 6 is LCM, 6 32 minus 7 upon 6, then 1 by 4 as it is, then 132 minus 7, that is 25 upon 6, then 25 upon 6 4s are 24. Now again limit y1 minus 1 to minus 1 to dx, that is a minus 1 to 2, and y from line first, second y from parabola, y key value line is x plus 2 upon 4, y key value that is a from parabola x square upon 4, 1 by 4 is a constant, x integration x square upon 2, integration of 2 2x, x square integration x cube power 3 upon 3. And now substitute the limit, upper limit that is a square of 2 2 upon 4, then 2 2s are 4, 2 ka cube 8 by 3, right? Sorry, 4 plus 2 6, right? So this is the calculation mistake. Then 4 plus 2 6 minus 8 by 3, 2 ka cube square 4 4 upon 2, square of 2, 4. 4 upon 2, that is 2. Sorry, is the lower limit. Minus 1 keep square 2, that is the 1 by 2 is correct, right? Minus 2 and minus 1 by 3, the minus plus 1 by 3. So now 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6 3 is 18. 18 minus 10. 6 3 is 18. 18 means 8 there, that is 10 by 3. Minus then 3 or 1 by 2 minus half minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 3 as it is. Now that is a 1 minus 1 by 3 minus minus plus 3 by 2. Correct? And now the 3 or 2, that is a 6 LCM. Then 6 LCM, that is a 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. That is a 10 2s are 20. Right? 3 2s are 6. That is a minus 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 20 plus 9, 29. Yeah, that is a 2 plus minus 2 plus 9 is a 7. 20 plus 7, that is a 27 upon 6. 3 2s are 3 9s are. That is a 9 by 8 square unit is answer. So student, this is 2 curve, right? And now is there another question. Given 2 curves, first thing, now find the intersection point, and second thing, now diagram, third thing, then this is another example. Given 2 curve, question number 11, find the area of the region bounded by the y square equals to 4x is a parabola and line x equals to 3. Given is parabola, y square equals to 4x. You know student, y square equals to 4x, this is the right hand parabola. This is right hand parabola, and right hand parabola, now parabola को draw करने के लिए only one things, and this is vertex, and vertex is a standard form, then vertex is 0, 0. So now look here, question number 11, y square equals to 4x and line x equals to 3. Now given is a y square equals to 4ax, this is parabola, and second thing, now given is a line x equals to 3, right? Y square equals to 4ax, this is parabola, and x equals to 3 is a line. Find the area region bounded by these 2 curves. First thing, solving first and second, right? And substitute x equals to 3 in this equation, then y square equals to 4 3s are 12. Then y equals to plus minus, what is the square root of 12? 4 3s are 12, that means plus minus 2 root 3. So is the one first point, then x is 3, y is 2 root 3. Taking positive, and is another point, x is 3, y is minus 2 root 3. Then draw the diagram. This is parabola, this is right hand parabola, y square equals to 4ax, vertex is 0, 0. एक parabola को draw करने के लिए only vertex, this is vertex 0, 0. Line x equals to 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is line, constant line is a parallel to y-axis. Then AB is a line. And now A point is given intersection of parabola, that is a 3, 2 root 3. And is another point is a 3, minus 2 root 3. And find the area parabola, find the area between parabola and line. So draw the strip on x-axis, length y, breadth dx. So now required area, then strip length is y and breadth is dx. Integration, what is the limit? 0 to this point is a C point, x coordinate 3, on x-axis y coordinate 0, then 0 to 3 is limit. But there are above portion and below portion, so that is the twice, right? It's the same portion, then 2 as it is, 0 to 3 as it is. What is the value of y from parabola? Then y की value is 2 root x. 2 is a constant out of integration, left root x. What is the integration of root x? Then x is to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. And after integration, substitute the limit, then 3 by 2 out of bracket, then 4 2s are 8 by 3, and now substitute the limit 3 की power 3 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit 0. So 8 by 3 as it is, what is the 3 raised to power 3 by 2? That means 3 root 3. Then 3 to 3 cancel, right? Then 8 root 3 is square unit. This is answer. So students, solve exercise 8.1. Thank you.